Hi, this is Trevor Conquergood from Saskatoon, Canada, and I am very excited to announce that I'll be visiting Authorized Vac and Sew in Fresno, California for two very exciting embroidery events. And you can sign up for one or you can sign up for both. And I'm sure you're going to want to do both events. The first one is a hands-on embroidery event that I call Patches and Postcards. You guys, I'm going to be teaching 4 different patch making techniques, and I will bring with me all of my sort of latest patches, and I'll have a custom designed Fresno patch just for us to stitch out. And of course, you'll get to bring home all of my custom Fresno embroidery designs, as well as the PDF instructions to make 4 different types of patches, or techniques to make a patch, I guess. And of course, how to make a postcard, like my cool Fresno postcard. And I'll bring my whole postcard collection and show you all kinds of cool embroidery postcards. And so it's a very fun day, and you can choose, it's a half-day presentation. So you can either come on January the 30th or January the 31st, and you can sign up for the morning presentation or the afternoon presentation. So there's 4 choices or time slots to choose from for patches and postcards with me, Trevor Conquergood, Authorized Sewing. And then on Saturday, February the 1st, you're not going to want to miss the Trevor's Embroidery Recipe Box presentation. And now I'm going to be demonstrating some of my latest embroidery techniques. You'll see me make this cool Roadrunner embroidery bracelet. We'll do very cool little rose earrings, and I'll show you how to create the new bead-look embroidery style. There'll be something for everyone, you guys. We'll do Academy style letters with the cool glitter foil and the puffy foam. I'll also use the foam to do some dimensional raised embroidery, like this cool embroidery gecko. And so there's 2 really fun days, and I know you're going to want to attend them both. And so it's all new content. If you've ever seen me before at Authorized Sewing, I hope you'll come and see me again. And if you've never met me before, please come and meet me at Authorized Vac and Sew. You guys, I've been doing embroidery for over 40 years, and I will bring all of my knowledge with me. You're welcome to ask questions. This is literally an embroidery design that I punched back in the 1980s. And so I'll bring my paper tape with me, and I'll bring lots of samples, and we'll have all of the latest, greatest embroidery products. And there'll be special pricing, and I'll have a bundle for making patches and postcards. And so I hope you'll come and meet me at Authorized Vac and Sew. And until then, you guys have a wonderful day. Thanks for listening, and bye for now.